ñun mu sojarol lelti mo le mene alon ko ibe do ko ke kan banko sojar kundale nim man seedo soto me la kumolu faniandi nsi la kumolu tano la ko they are honorable people, members of a dignified honorable service, members of the Gambia Armed Forces. So itolu ibenu sukuta jaba mafamalale tumo men na kidi fayo keta folla bawala ya dati ka kewo nyim bayndi wokono lam kewo nyim tourneta ay kido fay fanyo kono itol fanam borata ijanjanta wala nyama yukuta CDO amanke kilinda amanke flata fo saba wo mu sede bambandati mo samuta itala miro muneti woto la jabiro
so ngana wala ko jibe o mo sabo because sojar nan le dadun tanyin ko saba mu minti wol ko akete to nyala le nanen jango minti wala ballistic examinati ngana tandi la kumol fota nyoko nyamen ando isina lo wolto ko to nyata no ba ko be kono yo
pour molu doro ni ko ballistic examiner wala mu sojaro de me kidi jorangolu wistenu
wala fam
ko nyin ke ngokola okay
exactly wala fam so nying sojar sabo ko e tolbe bokan nam palmari male e tolo nata la foy fotata nyindulato kabiri fotata nyindinkirato dobe kono wotata subu sangol landi tolbe lifu danol la yo butong ha dobe je kodo kata rebulle ka lifu dani so ni mol ka ko how could you go and buy meat when you cannot even pay fair? Not that you cannot pay fair, ka lifu dani la manga ko table de imala kira kodo la use je
yes
you understand so that part mol ke tonye wotol but now question of dami wala nyindiko ntolo mo sabobe moto kilimo kono me bokan nam palmarima anun tolle nata fo sukuta traffic light abadan tolla call logs nyol kabiri tata wol wiste nata tandila control da malbe nyo call kan these people it all ma expect nunko je dabo would leave the part of just being a defendant and get into the domain of an investigator. Abiring je dabo we had like people who were supporting this case from America and across the world who are experts in different disciplines. So there was somebody mimba mako ekanno mimu forensic expert akako ta afrisel nindula kote ngolto nyinu ibi tala le ibi la nombal le tala and then ibi la call printouts le tala na yejibe because they are potential fenkol kabiri yela call log solta ya tandila ko nyimmo sabolu including another police commissioner were actually in constant communication. No, don't need to tell you that I'm sirim bunkin o kono mbe kolla. It defeats logic and common sense. Ku follow it. Nim fulan jambala. Nyim mo sabo kabiri ye nyininka kidi mo le ko itolo malo mi musinio mano di tolo kono. Wane na maso do sojar kunda. Even the dumbest recruit. Nani amonyo belori balon na mi mo nyaton ko di tolo kono. Either through their regimentation or whatsoever. So wamu fanya fulan jangolati. Nin saban jambala. Nyim mo le control ye ko dole bije ko. Kabiring ate nyini je they were having a scuffle wala nyinti ko be nyosabol la nim police wala be nyosabol la fajanna be bunna bare police o min tuta baluwoto ye sabanya o min bunga manfa woko itol ni moma nyosaba fereng yo nin nane njambala itol ko momi yalon ko itol yo je nim police wala be nyosabola itol malon fa den ka ko yolo dum fa fi mala dum ban fa nata mun ko la dum bare itol ko no kilingo ko ako way nyin as ko la canvas wala dum moro mela den ko je mela kurto je nga canvas oji. That defeats logic and defeats any physics of sight. Nya mela den ko je no bare nya yela samato je no but I saw you having a scuffle with people but I cannot tell if you wear a shirt which is black or white yala wota ke no la to nyati bare nyin mo kilingo la control yoko one of them ya nyin ka ko ate battle shock lesodo kabiri nyin ko keta yala battle shock in military terms wala nyin ko moya ma pampam ibarata iday freestyle ye mabole wala ye borle. You don't have battle shock and at the same time you are running after a gunman. But let's put all of that aside and look at it militarily. Moronia moja kido babulu, kiditete bulu. Let's say on armed security. Ite moja abe kido fire kan kiditete bulu. Podon tebulu. There is no way to actually attack this person. The first advice you are giving is to take cover and call for reinforcement. But ite moja abe mo kilim bunga afai, fula bunga afai, sabanjango bungo fana yela. Hanu obete ba borka wonoma. Does that make any logical sense to you? You could still do it. Let's say they are that dumb to do it and they are still military. But eba boneka wo mari no me ko na borta fo nyato akatonle. cattle bung and you were taking shelter or cover on fence line mfale momin ke bore na tonta ite kaji and yal no ko kidole bawul na tonta pour ke bung ite ke mabono bare ta ma fono wala den ko fo koy malon fo fi malon sayda ko je nyadile
bari yalla samato la kuloroje
ha andu na tonta be bung kam ika jelo ka tonta la laftam bunna le ye cover ta fence odo iko but it's too dark for you to actually see what you could see a gun but you could not see the clothing of the person. Does that make any sense to you? But again, connected to one of the witnesses, min ka tem watchman or tatabe shirin fence or kai I moja be borola drong I mari bindi and ibusoko this witness actually wrestled down the gunman. And the gunman threw a gun at him. But hani min fango ya muta I wrestled down ofana malon for denaka koyolon for fimala bala. Hani for bide. But I wrestled down and nye kido be janjang aya bungwa kidi janjang ni wala anatesi ase yuku nole pour kidi janjang ni woni kanama barama long ay nyim momi mutafa ya wrestled down for den ko yola bala fa fi mala bala. But again in the Gambian context itene ya moy muntu etara sirim fenso ka yemo jaba borola dorong ite o bayndi ima moy mol ba fo kan sache ima fo ko ima fo ko ay sunyar la ka jang ima mo ko tenje ba bayndi kan ite mo jani borobe tambe kan do ite o bayndi nene o moy muntu but hani atare ite o bayndi munati na sojarol min ko ito ba bayndi kan wol man fudan so foli ya kuma sila ka bayndi do re murunta the battle shock people but to connect their lies now here would be kabiri tolko ye battle shock la so anu nyimari ye ay mo sabala bunga ay mo fula fa kilimantora o mo jalle o mo bullet sabalati that is 3 bullets already. But I told you, abe told bunkan and they take cover on fence line. Doko about 4 bullets, doko about 5, the other ko about 6. 3 plus 6 is about 9. The ballistic examiner told us that only 3 bullets came out of the gun that was used to kill the cops. Fonyi mari kidi ko babulu fo. That also
that also la fe jansala jele demanding wo sede sabol fanan yedo nyininka kilingo beje court kono je comme nga fitna ma was looking at the judgment atako atala sataro kidi ngoy kono akom kido benu membulu do ko sudi atala do beje ko mo jamale so e kaje ko la kumol bota nyoko dal even city fanol fango ye menu dum there was a lot of discrepancy coming
court case non Banjul itada je UDP ko jama findi da kela solidarity tandi yankubala inin police wala dunta nyola ye mol buteje andabe mol kono min yalon ko UDP la some of them are even women councillors in Brikama area council ye tulolo bunje mbenjole tole Pate Jallo atambita wade suruna drong another Pate Jallo who had just finished recruitment was stationed on Sukuta traffic light and got killed. Is that a coincidence? UDP la bafo kanko Pate Jallo mbenjole tole some of their folks another Pate Jallo got killed, but even after that Pate Jallo got killed Mansakunda e kibaro min fintini wala nyende ko mi yefa abenu yankuba dabola o court case mi yatinna UDP nkol ko Pate Jallo ko ibe minke kanna molla tajidinde yanin tilimbal yalon andum banjole tole. That cannot just be a coincidence. And hana atara womu coincidence ladi muni yatinna keta wati la mi yalon ko IGP controller ko atata mata la manka nyala yalon na ko reflective thinking will bring you to Koro Sis's death. When Koro was being killed ya jamme ya kela ka atata mata la manka nyala. That is just a replication of that episode. Kabire nyemurunta na Mansakunda ya mune fonye ikoye momi muta UDP nko labulala amanka ko Mansakunda ya fontol damale. There is one Lamin Sow at prisons la operations commander. Kabiri ya usieno muta lungo minna ya put in remand waso mo akala boyleta kamana inata usieno sinda min fai wala nyinte ko UDP nko lalbula nyinna. We have CCTV footages that indicated ko ite mari be nyundulale. Oto mune a senior person in that capacity mune awubula ka wofo usienwe. Amanke wada mati commissioner so na la mol at anti crime wala fananko usienwe ko ya fo ami boja yoko ako UDP nko lalbula police fala. Yani kill soron sel killing bali salola ka fo ko UDP nko lalbulal. But now Sankarela script speaks to the fact that they're connecting it to the UDP. Obe manfuta kiti bono muna atinna Mansakunda obe to koma. Where is that script coming from? Where is the investigative report? Mi atandiko Sankare mimbefo police oleafo and abote tola investigation olokono. So it's a script that was prepared prior to kill these folks to frame the United Democratic Party. Anything other than that, mbenyo batandola bar ate mimbefo jang. And atolo control yoko. This person was exceptionally cooperative during the interrogation or investigation. just for us to come back to the fact that everything he had said is not true. And for him to actually say, for the mama for the police all there fonte and police all sondalako, Sankare mimbe for alanim video to mota milla moeka itolle afai. What a mone police all bula, kuma fola mim manke tonyati, kula mimbe dendi tol fangol la do ku nyol la sayala. And we told the wollon DJ, and we mollon DJ minto mo pata jalloti. Imurunte ko UDP lon kadu UDP la fanamba complain ka mola minto mo pata jalloti. And Peter Fanang, ala ñing kibaro kono moy text keje ka foko ala ñing investigate nal bota investigate wala ama fo fonko ala samba kiti wala al tale julo denga kan wala ali afa fa journalist aka ke wala ñam wala yati nan dala diamo kono dole bi je wati soto tan non ni modol be ñosa bola ay kana ñim fo kari moro do ku sarato la bala nim moy safere fon ke te fon mi yalon ko ñim ko kumu min fo it could actually raise tension and it could cause violence e ka jelo ko ñim manke message ti ñanta mi read la ja nim bi mo ka message o kile te aba banendirol ning kuma kala tan wala fo la jale to read la ja. So when somebody is still very innocent, where is basically innocence until proven guilty, ko ite mo muta drong is still a suspect. Molo ka safero ke ka foete ko alta ale julo denga kan wala ali afa ite la radio ta ite ko foje ka fo ko manta nyinin kare jama kala katu. I'm tempted not to ask andun Sankare ko ateni barobe diamo kan woto Sankare mingo min fo wodlado barobo ta kala mala nim baro diamo ta kunu ko atel lata ko le faro ke woto baro fana dabe nyun ko kono le